My name is Lucia Dominguez, and I will be one of the presenters for this week. I hope that you can all understand me. I will be explaining exercise 23, chapter 4. In this exercise, we will learn how to record closing entries. Here we have the Blossom Company's trial balance, and below we'll find our first focus. It will be to close the revenue account. According to the Blossoms Company, as part of the revenue accounts, we have the service revenue and the rent revenue. Usually those accounts have a credit balance. In order to close them, we will debit those balance accounts. In that case, we will put the service revenue, right here. For the 33,240, remember, in the debit column. And then the rent revenue for the value that we have right here, 14,340. To close those accounts, we will put the income summary. It will be the sum of the service revenue and the rent revenue. We'll put it right here in the credit column, and it will be a total of 40,540. Then we're going to close the expense account. So we're going to look for the expense right here in the trial balance. Sorry for going up and down. This one has two particularities. First one is that we're going to put the amounts on the credit column, and you will ask, from where did I get this amount? Because it's different from this one. But I will give it to you at the end of this part. So according to their trial balance, we have in order the salaries and wages expense, the rent expense, the insurance expense, the depreciation expense, and the supply expense. If we sum all these amounts, we will have this total of 39,083. I hope that you're good so far. So our next step is to close the income summary of the retained earnings. To do that, we're going to create the T account with the information that we have. We have the 39 and 83 in the debit side, and the 47,580 from the revenue account that will be in the credited side. If we subtract those accounts, the 47,580 minus 39,083, we will have as a result what I have right here, the 8,497. We will debit the income summary. So right here is in that column with that same amount. And to close it, we will create the return earnings. It will have, remember, the same amount in order to close it. The final step is to close the dividends account, like it says right here. To do this, we're going to credit the dividends. See, is in the credit column. The dividends that we have right here, 2,680. We're going to put it right here. And the return earnings in the debit column in order to close that account. With all that said, we have finished our exercise. Please post on the discussion board all the questions that you may have, and thank you for watching.